Markiplier isn't real. Markiplier is not a regular human being. Markiplier is not a person you usually know. Markiplier is not a normal person. In fact, Markiplier is just an imagination. Markiplier is a myth, a mythological discovery. He is not a beloved person on the YouTube platform. He is only in your memories. He is not real. He was never real to begin with. He is extinct. Don't consider to watch him anymore, because he is not real. He is imaginary. He is only in a storybook. All this time you are just making him up. You are just believing. You are hallucinating. You are having a dream. All of this is just a dream. You are about to wake up, knowing that Markiplier is just a made-up human being that you are thinking of. Wake up. Open your eyes.